Hello, I am Xaen Bukhari. Today I am going to show you how to create a glow effect in Photoshop. Let's do this. First of all, unlock the layer and make a duplicate of the layer. Select the copy layer and go to the object selection tool and select the area that you want to separate. Now click on the lasso and remove the unwanted selected area. After selection the object, go to the layers and click on the mask button to remove the background. Now click on the adjustment tool and take a solid black color for the background. Now add the solid color behind the subject. Go to the adjustment layer and select the exposure. Now adjust their values as the exposure should be plus 0.56 and the offset should be minus 0.0333 and the gamma correction 1.0. Now you can check the exposure result. Now select the exposure layer and press the Ctrl I button from the keyboard to invert this layer. Now take a brush and choose the soft round from the general brushes. Now adjust the brush size and paint the area that you want to use in glow effect. After this, go to the adjustment layer and select the brightness and contrast. Now decrease the value of brightness up to minus 104 and increase the contrast value up to 100. Now go to the adjustment layer and select the hue and saturation and adjust the values of hue +2 and the saturation +92 and the lightness should be +1. Select the layer and press the Ctrl I to take inverse. Now take the brush and select the soft round from the general brushes and paint over the area for the glow effect like this. Now decrease the opacity up to 35%. Now take an other hue and saturation layer and adjust their values like hue should be +1, saturation +15 and the lightness -2. Now drag the flower and adjust its size according to the subject, like this. Now make a duplicate layer of the rose and go to the filter and select the blur and Gaussian blur and make its value 7 and hit OK. Now find the screen option and click OK. Now make a duplicate of the rose layer again and change the Gaussian blur value up to 14 and click OK. Write the name of the layers like GB1 for the Gaussian blur first layer and the GB2 for the Gaussian blur second layer. And make a duplicate of the second layer again. Now write the name of this layer GB3. And change the Gaussian blur value to 155. And make a copy of this again. Write the name of this layer GB4 as a Gaussian blur 4 layer and change the Gaussian blur value to 210 and hit OK. Now select all the 4 layers of the Gaussian blur and make a folder of it and write the name Rose Glow. Now you can check a beautiful glow effect on the rose flower. Okay, but the color is not matching according to the rose. So we can adjust it by take the hue and saturation again to change the flower color and adjust their values like hue +2, saturation +91 and the lightest -6. Now you can see a wonderful glow effect. Kindly like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.